Is your Subaru Ascent key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead or weak CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. Avoid cheaper alternatives as they can cause misalignment. Locate the seam on the back of the fob and gently pry it open using your screwdriver. Remove the old battery carefully, noting that the positive side faces up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together securely to ensure it closes properly. Test the fob near your Ascent by pressing the buttons. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next section for troubleshooting. If your Ascent displays an open case error, or the remote still isn't working after a battery change, the fob might think it's still open, preventing it from functioning. If the issue persists, try a fob reset. Hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the lights flash. Also, consider moisture as a culprit, especially after rain. Dry the fob internals with silica gel if necessary. Finally, post-2023 Ascent models sometimes experience issues after software updates, requiring reprogramming via the vehicle's OBD2 port or a visit to the dealership if DIY fixes fail.